Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making Egusi soup. Sit back, relax while I introduce you to today's ingredients. I'm gonna start by first introducing you to the proteins. So from my left, I have tripe, smoked catfish, cow leg, goat meat, beef. All my protein is pre-cooked because I don't want to bore you with the preparation. So I have palm oil, bouillon powder, Scotch bonnet peppers, locust beans. I have ground egusi. I have dry crayfish powder, salt, onions, chicken stock, spinach, red bell pepper. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do in this recipe is to mix our melon seed with some of the chicken stock. Make like a thick paste out of it, and then we'll set that aside. So our next step will be to blend the bell pepper, onions, and Scotch bonnet. Our preparation process begins with palm oil. Give it a few minutes to get really hot. Next on our list of ingredients will be onions and locust beans. Stir that around for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, time to add our blended pepper mix. Stir that around. Add some of our chicken stock. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, time to add some more ingredients. Some salt, crayfish powder, bouillon seasoning. Stir it around. Now I'm gonna put my stove on low heat and add the egusi paste. Cover the pot and cook for about 7 more minutes. Our egusi has been cooking for a while now. Time to stir it around a little bit. And we add our proteins. Stir the pot around and cover, let it cook for 5 more minutes. Our final ingredient will be our bowl of spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice, water leaf, collard greens, spinach, whatever you choose. I'm gonna add that in little by little. At this point, we'll cover the pot and cook until our vegetable is wilted. That should be about 5 minutes. Our egusi soup is ready. What would you be pairing your egusi soup with? Pounded yam, amala, or eba? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching till the end.